If you're looking for the best transparent bags, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have bags for less large clear vinyl tote bag. This bag can carry quite a bit, but it isn't a huge bag. A lot of tote bags don't come with closures, but this one does, so you can keep your items dry on a rainy day. You can use it as an everyday bag or a purse since it's about that size. The handles come in 4 different colors. We recommend this bag as the best overall bag, but it's a bit too big to be allowed in football stadiums, so that's a huge downside of this product. This is a classic tote bag that's ready to carry just about anything you need. It's an appropriate size for using it as a purse or carrying belongings to work. Since it's made of PVC and sturdy handles, you could even take it to the beach with you to keep your items dry. Moving on to the next at number 2 with MOETYANG Transparent Tote Bag. A lot of transparent bags don't have many pockets since many are designed to take into stadiums. This bag by MOETYANG, however, is perfect for organizing your stuff. It has 3 pockets on the outside so you can easily reach your small items. This bag meets the NFL size requirements, so you might be able to bring it into a stadium, although the outer pocket adds to the overall measurement and could cause problems. This is a tote bag that has short handles to carry by hand and a long adjustable strap so you can wear it as a crossbody bag or on your shoulder. It's big enough for small laptops and spirals so you can easily take it to work or school. The number 3 position is held by CHM Crossbody Messenger Bag. Not everyone wants to carry a big bag around. Sometimes, you just need the necessities with you, and this bag is great for that. Its small size is great to take with you while you're traveling or running errands, and it's available in several different colors. This is a crossbody bag that can also be worn as a shoulder bag. In terms of usage, it's not flexible outside of using it as a purse or everyday bag for the essentials. This bag measures 8x3x8. It should be approved by almost every clear bag policy. All smartphones will fit comfortably, but long rectangular women's wallets might be a tight fit. If you have one of those wallets that are basically a clutch, you may need to find an alternative to carry your cash. Next at number 4 we have MOETYANG Transparent Clutch. Transparent bags are used for more than just policy compliance. They are trendy and can be bold statements since they give off a nothing to hide vibe. This bag has gold-colored embellishments and looks more stylish than the other options on this list. This bag is incredibly small, so you shouldn't expect to fit large wallets inside. This is a clutch bag that has a handle. It also has a detachable chain so you can carry it as a crossbody bag. The chain might be uncomfortable for those with shoulder-length hair or longer since hairs typically get caught in chain lengths. The number 5 position is held by Handy Laundry Clear Tote Bag. If you're in search of a transparent bag on the fly because you need one ASAP, or if you don't want to spend much on this kind of bag, this budget-friendly tote from Handy Laundry should suit your needs. It's spacious and doesn't break the bank. However, it only has one big compartment and no extra pockets, which might be a downside for some. If you prefer a pocket, you might enjoy this bag instead. This is a tote bag that comes with shoulder straps or a longer detachable strap so you can carry it as a crossbody bag. This bag measures 12x6x12. It meets the NFL Clear Bag Policy guidelines and should meet others as well. The number 6 position is dominated by Amazon Basics Transparent Tote. This bag is a lot like our budget-friendly recommendation, but it includes a mesh pocket that adds an appreciated touch of convenience. It still lacks an outer pocket, but it's spacious and has plenty of room for everything you need to put in it. This is a standard tote bag that has a detachable long strap and 2 handles so you can carry it on your shoulder. The handles can't be removed from the bag. It's made of sturdy PVC and will hold its shape while standing, but it might be too stiff and uncomfortable for some. The tote measures 12x6x12, so it should be allowed into most stadiums and venues and hold smaller laptops. Moving on to the next at number 7 with GreenPine Clear Messenger Bag. This crossbody bag is small and easy to take with you. But unlike our recommended compact bag, this one has a zipper on the second pocket instead of Velcro. Unfortunately, it's only available in black. The bag measures 8.7 x 2.8 x 6.7. You should be able to comfortably fit any size of wallet in this bag, although it might not leave enough space for other items. It does have a second pocket on the front, which allows for extra space in the bag. Both compartments close with zippers, so your items will be safe in this bag. If you have concerns about security, you can always turn the bag so that the zipper is facing you for an extra layer of protection. The number 8 position is held by Trailmaker Classic Clear Backpack. Many schools and workplaces require students and employees to have transparent bags. In this day and age, you're probably going to carry a laptop with you. Most laptops are about 13 wide and won't fit in NFL-approved clear bags, so you need to go with something bigger. This backpack will be able to fit a laptop and then some. It has a smaller pocket on the front but lacks side pockets for water bottles and keys. This is a regular-sized backpack that you'd expect a student to carry with them to school. It has adjustable shoulder straps and a handle on the top. The straps are padded and wide, so they'll be comfortable on the shoulders. The front pocket is about a third of the size of the main compartment, so you won't be able to fit as much into it. It'd be a great spot for a pencil bag or other pouch to keep personal belongings. The lack of side pockets is the most notable fault of this bag since it means there isn't an easy way to carry a water bottle or umbrella. Finally, the number 9 position is dominated by clear handbags and more large lunch bag. Many tote bags are tall and wide, but sometimes you need something a little shorter. This lunch bag is a great contender. It's shorter than most totes on this list, but it has more depth, so you can put more into it. It isn't required to be a lunch bag, of course, but its boxy shape might deter you from using it as anything else. This is a tote bag that's styled as a lunch bag. Its rectangular shape is good for fitting food containers into it. This bag has a main compartment that can fit quite a bit into it. You can easily fit 2 or 3 lunch containers along with a water bottle and fruit. The smaller compartment on the front of the bag might not be the best place for food since it's so small, but it's a good place to put your phone, wallet, and other things you don't want to keep with your food. Both compartments close with a zipper and the bag is waterproof, so it will keep your items dry and prevent spills from coming out of the bag. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.